Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this load failed error with the error code A0C0, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Xbox app, and now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your username, click onto support then, click onto gaming services repair tool, click start repairing then, click yes, wait for it to diagnose and then repair your problem. Once it's done with that, close this up, close the Xbox app, restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your Explorer. You're going to go to your C drive, Xbox games, game save, and then PGS. And then you're going to have a folder here with a name like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to rename this folder and add anything in here, like for example, test. And then you're going to move this folder from here into any other location. So here, for example, after that, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. And now what you're going to do is you're going to minimize the Xbox app. You're going to open up your Steam. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6 properties, install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up a start menu. You're going to right here view network connections. And then you're going to disable your network connection here. If you have an internet connection, you should have Ethernet. If you have a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just disable your network device and now run the game in offline mode. And once you're in the game, try to free roam for a minute or two. After that, now you're going to open up your internet. So enable your network device. Once you've enabled your network device, your game will start connecting to the internet. And after it's done connecting, now you can go ahead and play the game. And you'll see that you will not get that load failed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.